Not a good day. Not a good freaking day. Let me mute this stupid thing. Not stupid. It's a wonderful trading dashboard. I blew a big today, boys. My biggest single day loss. You know, tomorrow's 1 month since I started trading. I don't even think I want to know how much I'm down, man. Today was my biggest single day loss, which was unfortunate because yesterday was my biggest single day win. Went from $75 up, which I know is not a lot of money. I know there's guys out there making crazy amounts of money, you know, but I had my biggest green day ever yesterday. Was riding the freaking highs, and instead of trading with, I mean, look at my volume today. 64 trades. Like everything went wrong, quite literally. Let me first start by saying it's all my fault. What I'm about to tell you, even though it is an excuse and it's real, it was me not trading the way I should have been trading. First off, I started the day within the first of all, I have a rule I'm supposed to be done trading at 10. I just finished trading like 15 minutes ago and it's 11:50 right now. What the fuck was I doing? Anyways, I started off the day before 10 a.m. for sure. Let me go to the trade table just so you guys, I don't even know if this is even worth looking at. Trades table. I mean, look at all these freaking trades. Oh, look, I started off in the green, 28 and 15. That's what, $43. I was $43 in the green. And then it quite literally all went backwards from there. Next trade gave it all back. What the heck? Why it says, wait. It says this was a short position for 0 seconds. Huh? It says I got in at 7:54 and sold at 7:50. Okay, I'm not sure why it says that. I'm going to have to look into that. Anyways, started off the day in the green, gave it all back, and then quite the whole freaking shipload, then more. Basically, God, this video is already off to a horrible start. I'm just not in the right headspace right now, but I am making these videos because I made mistakes, and I want to document these mistakes so that I hopefully don't make them as much in the future. Look at all these red freaking trades. I think I was shooting with like 33% accuracy today, yeah. I mean, that's just absolutely horrible. Like, absolutely worst freaking trading day of my life. Basically, okay, focus. I gave you know, pretty much I think I was like $150 in the red relatively quickly, you know, like within, you know, whatever, 10:30. God, what was I doing? So I was in the red like $150. At some point during this table, I wish that there was a better way to look at this table. That like showed you, oh, I was up, I was down, I was up, I was down, and this, you know, okay. Anyways, I was down somewhere around about $150. Was frustrated, just made some bad trades. And I was trading with two biggest eyes because yesterday I did so good. Started, you know, screw it. Hey, if I can hit these green days, why not I just up my share size? Just up my freaking share size. How much different could it possibly be? You know? And then I'm trying this new device for hotkeys, which I will show you guys in like a dedicated video for it, I think, at some point, because I think this could really help me out. But I trade in E-Trade, and the issue with how I'm trading in E-Trade is you have your charts open for whatever stocks you're trading. And all you have to do is select one of those boxes, and then you can use your hotkeys to trade in that box. You can have 4 charts up, 4 different stocks in your E-Trade dashboard. Select whichever stock you want to trade at that second. Use your hotkeys to execute those trades. I unknowingly was selected on the wrong ticker and bought a stock when it was just about to dip. And when it dipped, I was down like $80 or something from the dip. And I panic sold those shares, which maybe I shouldn't have done. Maybe I should have. I sold the dip just to get out of there. I panic sold, get me the freak out of there. And it I paid the price for it, you know. I lost a lot of money today, and then I was down. I had a few more bad trades, got to about $300 down, and then was like, okay, scaling back 50 shares a trade instead of 100. Got down to like 278 or something like that, and I'm like, okay, we're starting to make some progress against this. You know, obviously that's only like, you know, $22 or whatever, but I was heading in the right direction. Then it just crept back up to 300 and I started getting frustrated, and now I'm down 330 just because I just kept going. Like, my accuracy was so bad. Like, I should have been, two things should have happened that I did wrong here. I should have either taken the whatever profit I was up, $42, you know, $43. I should have stepped out here. That would have been a nice little day, you know. $43 could have made a nice video, up $43. When like I'm only trying to make $25 a day, but when I have a big day like yesterday where I do so good, I'm like, maybe like why am I capping myself at $25? Like, what good is that possibly doing me? Okay. So, two things should have happened. I should have bought out or sold out. It should have been done for the day, close all this shit down after I was up $43, or when I was down like $150, I should have gone out instead of just continuing to dig myself into a hole that is like, now with the way like my trading has been going, and I'm learning, like I said, I've been doing this, you know, for a month as of tomorrow. And I made really stupid decisions at the beginning, which dug me into a hole that was already really hard to get out of. And I was finally climbing myself up. I was only down like $300 in total. Like my total account balance was only down somewhere around $300 as of yesterday afternoon. And now it's down like $630. Like, So right now I'm down for the week $216, which I guess that's one way to look at it. It's not about the day, it's about the week, it's about the month. How am I shaping up? Like last week, Monday was Labor Day, 3 green days, 1 really bad day. Gave back everything that I made in 3 days. Hours and hours and hours of trading, all for nothing. This week, I would be so... There's 2 days left this week. I would have to make $110 a day to break even. And I know if I try to do that, I'm going to end up giving back $110 a day, because I'm going to be going in with too big a size and just screwing myself royally at every freaking opportunity. So I'm not going to try to do that. I'm going to try to stick to my small share sizes tomorrow. Going to try not to trade this afternoon unless there is something that just seems to be absolutely crazy. There is a stock IPOing this afternoon, but I just I just saw some people talking about a stock, so I wanted to see how it was doing. Like, yeah, I mean, this is a stock that I would normally jump into. Broke a new high here, broke a new high here. I'd be in on this. But, you know, just didn't stick to good rules, didn't, didn't stick to my freaking rules. Oh, yeah, just made another high. Is it going to run? I'm not going to trade it. I'm done. It's almost lunchtime. It is lunchtime. It's 11:59 right now. I'll look at that thing go. She's moving. Oh, you can't see the 10-second chart because it's behind my face, but you can imagine what that looks like over here. Yeah, not AMD on the left. I was obviously talking about this AGIH here. So, yeah, just bad decision after bad decision. I'm now going to probably end my day with my biggest loss ever. Totally sucks, but it's my own fault. And did that just halt? It looks like it did. It happens. I'm learning. 1 month of trading. As of tomorrow, it is what it is, guys. Just sharing my experiences here with you. Hopefully, hopefully we can turn some of this stuff around. Really just need to focus on controlling my losers. I need to be better. Like, I'm so quick to pull out $10 to $20 of profit on the way up when I'm making money, but I'm so hesitant to sell a stock that's down $10 or down $20. I gotta freaking work that out. Anyways, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Hopefully you guys got in. There were some really good stocks this morning. Let's see, top gainers of the day here. 560%. Last 2 days we had yesterday and the day before we had two stocks that were up over 2,000%. So nothing that crazy today. But that's it. See you guys tomorrow for another trade review. Hopefully it's better than this. Love you guys. Peace.